Hey guys, so here I am walking in the first part of the swap meet. And this is indoor right here. And this looks like a little Indian setup over here, but we'll go through everything and I'll get a bunch of video, let you see what's happening. Well, come on over here by the little Indians here. Come on this way, Rick. Kind of got a history of them. Looks like they start that way and come around. Although some of them are mixed, these are older. That right one over there looks like the very first one. That's a Clinton motor on there. We'll take a look at that. Looking up on this one over here, it's a 1968. Here's a 1968 little Indian. Put it around here.